Can you speak a little louder? Sorry to tell.
We are going to see Playwright demo, right?
Okay. What is Playwright about and how it works?
I don't have any idea about that.
Okay.
It's kind of JavaScript, I think so. JavaScript relevant framework.
Okay. Okay, cool. So I could tell in a way like, does anyone aware about the term of software testing and how it works? Hello. Okay, let me pitch in. So software testing is nothing but where application, and whenever a developers, and as a tester we do test the products, like to make the quality assurance along with the quality control of the product. So where we can do with both manual as well as automation. So manual is like roughly we do the testing, and automation is something like to overcome the manual efforts in the time. We do automate the test scripts with the different tools where we have Selenium in the market, Playwright, and Cypress. So their Playwright is a competitive tool for Selenium, where it is in the market, where it has huge number of openings, it has n number of features and advantages compared to other tools. So we will learn the Playwright with the support of JavaScript programming language. Okay, so you will be having a 2 months of course where it will be taken around between 45 days to 60 days of the class, where you will be trained from Monday to Saturday with 1 hour session daily. And Saturdays will be the live offline class, and you do have the demos, mock interviews, and all. First, the class session will be going through with JavaScript, followed by the Playwright. Then it will be get covered with the manual testing and the framework integration with page object model, Cucumber BDD, and we do also cover your backend testing, which is with Playwright and Postman API. Along get covered with the Git, Jira, Jenkins, and little bit of database testing, where you will be knowing about the SQL queries and join commands. So once the course has been completed, where you will be get trained for the interview placement assistance. So there is two options there, like you will be get trained and it will be get placed, where the interview assistance for resume building, Naukri profile update will be taken care from the management and the institute side. You got it? Any questions so far?
These are all everything we will cover within the 2 months, right?
Yes, everything will be get covered within 2 months.
Is it need Java or JavaScript?
We will be taking with JavaScript, not with Java. Java also supports. I mean, we can work in Playwright, but majorly in the company interview perspective and the work perspective, we prefer JavaScript and Playwright.
From starting scratch itself, you have
Yes,
teaching to us, no?
yes, the class will be from the basics, not from the intermediate. It is like beginner to advanced class. So we'll be start from the basics, then we'll be get assisted with the mock interviews, real-time practical hands-on sessions with projects and projects. And followed by will be helping you with the demo, which is interview process. So how we'll be writing the test scripts? I can show a quick one. So where we'll be using Visual Studio for our automation script. So your code will look like this, something similar to this. Okay. Will be teaching you why this specific script has been written, what those specific syntax are working. I can tell you, I mean, I can just run and show how the test scripts works. So it is a basic test script for a login page, like login into the Facebook account and it enters something. Like for example, I'm just running the script. I mean, you will be learning what command I'm writing, why I'm writing this, and everything. Okay. So you can see one test script will be open now, and it will be performing some certain actions, and the test script get passed. And this is how your automation test report looks. So that will also be get integrated in our test scripts, where it shows the report. So this is how the report structure looks, whatever the integrations and whatever the test scripts has been get passed. So totally one test script has been run, and there is no failures. So it will give you the detailed report how our test script looks. This is a sample test script which have been shown. So we'll be teaching you from the basics why it is required and what is the purpose of it and how to write the test scripts also. And post that only will be giving you your mini project and the live project. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions or doubts so far?
What are the tools we will use in Playwright?
Playwright is actually a tool. We don't need any other supponent at all. For programming language, you will be learning with JavaScript. For automation, you will learn Playwright. For framework perspective, you will learn POM and Cucumber BDD. And for tools like the version control tool, which is source code management tool, we use Git. And for CI/CD, which is continuous integration and deployment, we use Jenkins. And will be covered with the manual testing. And for defect tracking or test case management, we'll be using Jira. And followed by will be covering with API testing with tool of Postman and Playwright API. This all will be get covered in 45 days. Your class will be from Monday to Saturday, 1 hour session.
Ma'am, Selenium tool, ma'am.
Selenium is an alternate tool for Playwright. So we'll be covered with Playwright, not with Selenium. If you want to learn Selenium, it will take minimum 3 months of duration to cover Selenium.
Okay, ma'am.
And now companies are migrating from Selenium to Playwright. So we suggest everyone to learn Playwright and to be get placed.
Okay, ma'am.
So this will be the tech stack that will be going through the specific course.
API using Playwright, is it? Are you covering
What?
API using Playwright? API
Yes.
automation.
Yes, we are covering only with Playwright API, not with Rest Assured. If it is required, then based on the specific candidate concern, about the tech stack and the other with the some other factors that will be get into an account and will be taking the Rest Assured.
I know the timings. Monday to Saturday, you said.
Monday to Saturday, the class will be on morning session, which is 7 to 8.
7 to 8. Any other timings, sir?
No. Why? Because we do also working professionals, and will we get occupied with the interviews and the meeting slots. So will be available only on the daytime. So the class will be on morning 7 to 8. So if you want to learn from the hands-on experience with the real-time persons, then I will suggest you to prefer the daytimes. Any questions? Any doubt?
I'm comfortable with this evening only, but morning is not aware.
Why? Any specific reasons or concerns?
I have 2 kids. I need to. They are having school, right?
Okay, are you working or unemployed?
Okay.
Work. Where are you working?
Chennai.
Sorry?
Chennai.
No, No, and which company you are working in, a non-IT or in an IT firm?
Working in IT, a manual tester.
Okay. At what time you are comfortable in evening? Evening
Yeah,
will be having
evenings.
sprint calls, right? Sprint planning can happen, and we do have release means that will be get extended, right?
Yes, yes.
So
Me too.
evening time
I'm
is
also facing the same, but morning is not possible for me because school is there. No, so school time.
I do agree, but 100% evening means even if I'm occupied with the sprint or release cycles, I cannot able to take class on evening times. Again, that class will be get skipped. Again, you will also be work and you will be completely exhausted and you will be listening to the class. So there will be no that much efficiency in the class to be learned.
Fine.
What about morning 6 to 7?
Um, it's a cooking time.
Then you cannot. If you want something, you should sacrifice something, right?
Yeah, yeah. But I'll think and tell you.
Evening, if you have release, if I'm having release, class will be get affected, correct?
Yeah, yeah. Even I'm also extending up to 11 o'clock.
As a manual tester, you know the reality, then how come you can attend evening class? By 9 o'clock you want to log in, 10 o'clock you will be having a stand up, and 11 you should start your work, then how come evening class will be possible? Think practically, right?
You are correct, but
If
my
you fix
side,
evening batch, I'm just for an exclamatory situation, if you fix a evening batch, if you miss any of the class, you will ask us to retake it, right? If you miss any class, you'll be asking us to retake again. Even though I'm taking class on daily basis, I should do the double work, right?
yeah.
Think from all the perspectives, right? Okay, Ajay, you have any doubts?
Yeah, no, no.
Okay, what about Dinesh? Kanimori, Muttamiran,
No, no doubts.
Subhash Babu, sorry, Suresh Babu,
No, ma'am.
Vijay.
Ma'am, for Saturday, it's offline, you know, ma'am.
Yes, Saturday will be an offline class.
How to late morning.
No, Saturday is like kind of flexible. It is
Okay.
like you should attend the morning class, which is 7 to 8,
Okay.
and you should come instead by 11 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am.
Saturday is kind of an interactive session where you can have mock and you can like do some, I can give you some interview tips, will assist you with the interview perspective class. So Saturdays will be more on interview perspective and interactive class.
Okay, ma'am. So
Okay.
11 to, so it will extend time.
Yes, 11 to 4 will be the time.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Whomever the based out of Chennai location must to attend Saturday on offline class.
Where it is in Chennai?
It is opposite to Chennai Trade Center Nandambakam. It is straight opposite to Chennai Trade Center building with the main entrance. Mohan can share you the location. Okay. Uh, does anyone have any questions or doubts?
Ma'am, when will the class starts, ma'am?
That you can check with the management. Mohan will be the correct person to answer the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Maybe once you, there will be some initial commitments to be completed, some certain amount of payment to be get completed, the initial amount. Once that is done, the class will be get started based on the availability and the students, the trainer, everything. So that will be not take that won't be take more than 1 or 2 days. You can get the update immediately. Any doubts, any questions? Any questions? Hello. Any questions?
No, no questions.
No.
Okay. If there is no question, then we can wind up this session. Thank you all for attending. If you have any doubts, please reach out to Mohan and we can connect one-on-one session also. Okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
sure.
you.
Thanks all. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Thanks.
Yes, sir. Okay. 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 Okay, sir. O- Okay. அதான் சார் டபுள் ஷர்ட்னா 20, சிங்கிள் ஷர்ட்னா 15 இப்போ வாசிங் மேம் சொல்ல சொன்னாங்க. இப்போ இனிஷியல் அமௌண்ட் எவ்வளவு கட்டணும்னு சொல்றீங்க? 5யா? ஓகே. ஓகே. ஓகே.